Hello viewers, are you facing WhatsApp registration timeout problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. Now turn off flight mode and then check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is working properly. And then long press on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp app info. Click on I button or app info. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Go to storage option. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Click on search app. Search WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp in latest version. I have already updated my WhatsApp. After update your WhatsApp, now restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be solved successfully.